An earthquake of magnitude 3.6 occurred only 7 minutes ago 6 miles southeast of Ontario, California, United States, the United States Geological Survey reported. The quake hit at a shallow depth of 7 miles beneath the epicenter near Ontario, San Bernardino County, California, USA, in the morning on Saturday, September 3, 2022, at 10:04 a.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, which listed it as a magnitude 4.1 earthquake.